Good evening, guys. Today I want to show you my unboxing of my new Surface Pro signature keyboard. I got it for my new Surface Pro 9. I got it for free for purchasing a used Surface Pro 9, which is an i5, a 16 GB of RAM, and I'm gonna make a separate video for it. The total price is around $970, which is very great deal. Here is the technical spec of this keyboard. You can pause the video if you want to read the spec. Okay, let's look around. As you can see, it's a black version. Uh, it's it's compatible with a Surface Pro 8, Surface Pro 9, and Surface Pro X. As you can see, it has an English layout with a QWERTY layout, and sadly it doesn't have a Surface Pen tool included. Okay, as you can see in the back, here there is a description for the material, the Alcantara. Okay, and here you can see there's a QWERTY keyboard. Okay, let's see what inside. Up. Wow. Okay. Okay, here the keyboard itself, it feels very premium. It feels very light. I think it's only around 200 grams. It's very light. And here is some manual, some description, some paperwork. Okay, let's go. And the box. Okay, that's all. Okay, it's feel very warm. It's feel comfortable to touch. As I remember, it is made from Alcantara material or fabric that derived from a sugarcane waste. The typing is, the typing is feel very solid, very original. The keyboard itself costs around $180 from Microsoft website, and I'm very lucky to get it for free. And okay, let's try it on my Surface Pro 9. Okay, boop. Okay, I feel that the magnetic field very strong. Okay, okay, it's feel very strong. The typing, okay, it's good. Okay, I don't know how long it lasts, but we'll see. And for the pen, I also tried the original Surface pen too, but I really don't like it very much with a hard tip, and it feels like writing on the glass. Also, it's priced around a whopping $130. With that price, I consider an alternative, and I found a Razer Raphael 530 pen combo with a Pelican KA keyboard. The keyboard has the Bluetooth. This one doesn't have, so you can use it separately. Okay, you can use it separately. No, it doesn't work. And yes, my Razer keyboard will arrive in a week or so, and it costs only around $120 with a keyboard and a pen. And I'm gonna make a separate video about it too, because I see a lot of positive review about that brand on YouTube. And back to this keyboard, do I recommend it? Well, it's depend. If you don't have problem with budget, I feel that you need to go to this keyboard, or you can buy the combo one with a Surface pen tool. there's nothing better than the OEM, the accessory on the OEM device, the original one. But if you think that $250 is too much for a keyboard and a pen, I recommend look elsewhere. So that's all for this video, and thank you all.